During the ancient years, the three kings followed a comet to find Jesus Christ. But our topic today is about understanding the literal meaning. Let's start. Getting the meaning of what you read is a skill especially needed when you read articles on technical subjects. You should be able to understand what the writer is telling you and be able to recognize his thoughts. The meaning you get to the article must be restricted to the author's sentences, and the conclusions you arrive at must be supported by facts from the reading, not what you think he might mean. You should not let your own thoughts, opinions, or prejudices color what the author is saying. You should read the lines. Practice skill activity. Pick out the sentence that is closest in meaning to the key sentences. There are 5 key sentences to choose with its literal meaning. 1. Naked eye comets are not very common, though a few have been visible even in broad daylight. Letter A. Some comets can be seen without telescope even in the daytime. Letter B. If the comet is visible in the daytime, it is called a naked eye comet. C. To be called a naked eye comet, it must be near the sun. Which among the 3 choices is the correct literal meaning of key sentence number 1? Key sentence number 2. In ancient times, the comet was regarded as portending a plague, earthquake, or other disaster, or as an omen of defeat in battle. A. In ancient times, a comet brings disaster to people who saw it. B. A comet used to be regarded as an omen of impending disaster. C. People feared the appearance of a comet because it portended a calamity. So among the 3 options, which is the literal meaning of key sentence number 2? Let's come to key sentence number 3. The metallic vapors of a comet are especially visible when the comet is heated by the sun. Letter A. The sun releases the metallic vapors of a comet. Letter B. When the comet is heated by the sun, its metallic vapors are in greater evidence. C. The heat of the sun is unnecessary to identify the comet in daytime. So which is the literal meaning of key sentence number 3? Let's come to key sentence number 4. After circling the sun, the comet starts its journey back into space tail first. A. Each comet must circle the sun before it can go back in daytime. Letter B. The tail of the comet is reabsorbed as it goes around the sun. Letter C. Tail first. The comet goes back into space after it had circled the sun. So, which among the 3 choices is the literal meaning of key sentence number 4? Let's come to key sentence number 5. The comets are continually having fragments dragged out of them by passing planets, and eventually they become completely disrupted. Letter A. The particles that trail the comet are constantly changing. B. Comets change in size because of the effect of passing planet on their particles. C. Passing planets attract the fragments trailing the comet and disrupt their arrangement. Let's check your work. Be honest. Key to correction: 1A, 2C, 3B, 4C, 5C. Improve your reading comprehension skill.